Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all what's on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Y'all always seem to like these videos every time I make one for a new device, so we're going to go ahead and do it with this one right here. I'll be sharing what type of case I'm currently using at the moment. Of course, my whole setup, my home screen, what my settings are like, the type of launcher I'm using. I'm going to be sharing it all with you. So let's go ahead and get started, starting with the type of case that I am using for this device, which is actually from the sponsors of our video today, Casetify. As you can see, I am using a custom case right here with a nice matte black finish in the back. Got my name right there in the back so everybody knows this is my phone if I ever happen to lose it. But huge thanks to Casetify for sponsoring this video. I got both their impact case and their crush impact case. Got a few designs here to the right and got another custom case here to the left. And I've actually done drop tests with these cases right here. And I mean, the phone held up great. They did a great job at protecting this device. Now, these cases right here in front of me are just a few options that you can choose from on their website. Like I said, you can customize your own case how you want, which is absolutely awesome. And then these are just a few designs right here that you can choose from. Got one with the cat right there. Yes, I am a cat lover, I gotta admit. And then I got this camo case right here as well. But like I said, they've got tons to choose from on their website. I mean, the list is pretty much almost endless for any device that they have these cases available for. And one reason for them protecting the phone so good is if you look inside, they got a lining inside, and that is called their Chi-Tech. And what that is an impact absorbing material, which is what helps really protect this device and snaps on there really good, as you can see there, and it's going to give you some really good protection around the cameras. Got some good sized lips on the top and the bottom, so to protect that display if you ever happen to drop it face down on a flat surface. I'll have my drop test linked down in the description below so you can see just how protective these cases are when it comes to this device right here. Now, their impact cases are made with 65% and plant-based material. As you can see there, it also says that on the case right there, this case is made from 65% recycled material, while their crush impact case is made with upscaled recycled cases. So all cases do feature something called Defensify, which is an antimicrobial coating that helps protect you from germs, killing about 99% of bacteria. So not only is it going to keep your phone safe, but it's going to keep your hands safe from those germs as well. And if you find yourself interested in any other cases, not just the cases that I have right here, but like I said, any of the cases from the tons they have to choose from on their website, I'll have a link down in the description below, along with a promo code that will get you a discount on these cases as well. Again, huge thanks to Casetify for sponsoring this video. All right, so moving on to the inside of my device to check out my setup here. As you can see, I am using that in-display fingerprint sensor, and I will try to keep this as quick as possible. I don't want to bore you guys, and I like to keep things pretty simple when it comes to the setup of my device. So I am going to use the S Pen to control the phone because I mean, it's there, why not use it? So this is the home screen that I am greeted with. This is my main setup right here, and as you can see, I am using a custom launcher called Lawn Chair Launcher, and there's so many customizable options that this launcher gives you. I mean, it's crazy, it's amazing. So as you can see, the one thing I love about this launcher is that it gives me the app drawer that goes up and down rather than side to side. And me personally, I just like this a whole lot better. I can just scroll up. If I do need to get to an app that's not on my home screen, boom, it's right there ready to go. So I really like that, and you still get to take advantage of that 120 hertz display as well. So as you can see, this is my setup right here. At the top right corner, we got the date, March 21st, Monday 2022, and over here to the left, we got that Google Pill. So rather than having a full Google search bar, you know, going across my display, I just got in a little pill up there, and I can just tap that and go into my Google search bar. So I kind of like it small and hidden up there, not really taking up too much of my home display. And then right below that, we have the weather widget, 60 degrees where I'm at currently at the moment. That was at 4:14 a.m. So all I got to do is, I can either click on it or I can press refresh right there. It'll refresh the time and the weather if the weather has updated since then. So as you can see, it now says 4:33 a.m. And then below that, I got my 3 main folders along with 2 other apps. We got the gallery app. Of course, I always need that in case I have pictures that I want to show off to anybody or anything like that, or if I want to check out the gallery myself. Right next to the gallery, I have my editing app. So for those of you that don't know, I do edit all of my videos on my smartphone and my thumbnails as well. So everything for the channel is all pretty much run on my smartphone. Until recently, I just got the new Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which has been amazing. And I'm going to most likely edit this video on that as well. But yes, Throughout my channel, all videos have been edited on a smartphone. These are all of my editing apps right here. We got KineMaster, which works great for editing videos on your smartphone. If you are a creator and you don't have a computer or a laptop, or you just don't want to use one, boom, KineMaster will take care of you. We got PixArt, Pixel Lab, and Lightroom, which are the apps that I use to edit the thumbnails on this channel, and they all do a very good job at that. Next to that, of course, I have my YouTube folder. You know, we got the YouTube app, YouTube Music, subscriber count, and the YouTube Studio, which is what I use to keep up with the comments, so I can be able to comment back to you guys, because I always do my best to comment back to each and every one of you. I know it's impossible to comment back to everybody, but I do make the effort to try and comment back to as many people as I can. So leave a comment down below in this video, just saying what's up or whatever, and I'll do my best to say what's up back. But yes, that's what I use to pretty much keep up with the channel, to see how not only the comments are doing, but to see how the videos are performing, what exactly I can do to, you know, improve on the videos, whether it's the thumbnail or the retention time or just whatever. That gives me a lot of information right there to help keep up with the channel. Right next to that is my social media app. We got Twitter, we got Snapchat, Discord. If you are not following me on Twitter or Snapchat, I always have links down in the description below, so you can go ahead over there and follow me as well. No, I do not have an Instagram, for those of you who are wondering. I know, I need to make one already, and once I do, I will be sure to let you all know. And right next to that, I have my Google Duo app for those quick video calls. If I just want to jump in real quick, make a video call with someone, boom, it's right there on my main home screen, ready to go. And then right down here at the bottom are my main apps that I want to have on every home screen, which is, of course, the phone call app. We got my email app, because I'm constantly checking emails throughout the day. Got my Google Chrome app if I, you know, need to search the internet quickly or anything like that. Of course, the text messaging app, and then my camera, which always has to be there no matter which home screen I'm on. Now, you will notice that I am using different icons here, and these icons are actually from an app called, let's see, let me go ahead and scroll down to it if I can find it quickly here. Here we go, Minma Icons. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but Minma Icons, yes, this is it right here. You can download it, and this launcher will allow you to use these icons right here. So just giving you a different cool look, and I love the way it goes with the wallpaper I have as well. And for those of you who are wondering where I get my wallpaper, it's actually from an app called Wallpics. Now, Wallpics is an app made for Galaxy devices, especially when it comes to Note devices, because it's going to allow you to pretty much hide that camera punch hole cutout up at the top. So let's see, let's go ahead and try to find a wallpaper here. I guess I'll just pick anyone. So this is the wallpaper I'm currently using. And as you can see, they got tons of wallpapers to choose from. Let's go ahead and choose, let's choose this one. Let's see what this one's gonna look like. Let's see if I tap on it. As you can see, it's hiding that punch hole camera cutout there up at the top. And this is my main wallpaper right here. As you can see, it works out great. And it makes it look like you really do have a full screen display without any front-facing camera. So Wallpics, definitely check it out, and it can be found on the Google Play Store. So that is my main home screen right there. Let's go over to the right. Boom, this is my second home screen, and yeah, that's it. Like I said, I like to keep it simple. Got my main home screen right here with the main apps I pretty much use throughout my day, and then over here on my second home screen, got my calendar widget to help me keep up with my month. Let me know if I got anything going on during the week that I'm in, or just later on in the month, or to remind me of what I did in the past. So the calendar widget is definitely a big must for me. And then, as you can see, I got quite a few folders right below that. So we got my movie app folder when I feel like watching movies or episodes, anything like that. We got Netflix, Prime Video, Vudu when I want to rent movies, Disney Plus, Fandango if I ever do want to rent movies, although I think they are combining those now, so I'm gonna have to do that pretty soon here. And HBO Max. Right next to that, I have my delivery apps. You know, having a tech YouTube channel, I'm always having stuff delivered, so I gotta keep up with those packages to see when they're gonna be delivered, so I can make sure I'm either home or, you know, getting close to home before they get there before me. That way I can, you know, be there to get them, because sometimes I'm not gonna lie, there's been times where my packages have been stolen, so it's always nice to keep up with them with FedEx and UPS. That way I can make sure that I get them before whoever's stealing them does. And then we have the store apps, or I guess I should call this maybe purchasing apps, or I don't know. But we got the Play Store, the Amazon Store, Adidas Store, because I love Adidas, Best Buy, Booksy. Now, if you're not sure what Booksy is, this is actually an app that you can use to schedule things like getting your hair done, you know, picking a barbershop, hair salon, personal trainer, finding a chiropractor, if you want a massage, day spa, skincare, braids. And my brother's a barber, so this is what I do when I do want to schedule a haircut with him. I go right into this app, And look at this, they got tons of barbers to choose from in your area, or you can even put in another area if you want to. And I can just keep scrolling and scrolling. And there's a lot of barbers in my area, as you can see right here. This is my bro right here, Rich Blends. Shout out to him. And this is what I use to schedule an appointment with him if I need to when getting a haircut. So very good, useful app there, whether you're someone looking to get something done, or if you want to create an account for yourself. If you are like a barber, or if you work at a hair salon or anything like that, you can use that to help schedule appointments for your clients. And of course, we got OfferUp, Ralph's, and then Mr. Beast Burger, which I still have not tasted yet. I still have not tried out. I'm gonna have to try that out pretty soon. Now, going to my folders below that, we got a folder called Other Stuff, which is just other stuff that I have in there. This is because I didn't know what to name this folder. We got the clock, calculator, Samsung Notes, my Marriott and Hilton app. That way, you know, if I ever need to, you know, get a hotel for the night or for the next weekend or the weekend after that, boom, I got my apps right there ready to go. So I can, you know, compare prices and see what's more affordable. And then we got my invoice maker. You know, sometimes working with sponsorship deals, they ask for invoices, and boom, I make the invoices right here on my smartphone. And then there's that Wallpics app that I told you about, where I find my wallpapers. Right next to that is my finance folder for things like PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Samsung Pay, Binance, to keep up with that crypto, Cash App. So I always got to make sure to have my folder right there ready to go. And then right next to that one is my gaming folder. Now, I don't do too much gaming on my phone, but when I do, these are kind of the games that I play right now at the moment. We got Wild Jacks, which is actually a pretty fun game to play with somebody, Clash of Clans, Call of Duty Mobile, of course, and Sonic Forces. And then right next to that is my smart home apps folder. So I got my Smart Things app, which is going to help allow me to, you know, check out my Samsung security camera, or check out things like my smart tag, or even control, you know, devices that I have here at home, like a Samsung TV or monitor or anything like that, or other smart devices. So Smart Things app is a pretty good app to have. Got my Zmodo app, which is again, for security cameras that I have here. My Gove Home app, which is going to allow me to control all the smart lights that I have here, whether it's in the office or pretty much the entire home. I use Gove lights for everything, and not only lights, but smart plugs as well. As you can see there, I was using them for the Christmas lights, so I still have them named as Christmas lights, as you can see there. But as you can see, I got tons of smart lights from Gove right here, LED lights as well, as you can see there, that go around my TV, third bedroom TV, gaming desk, my trio lamp, which you guys see here on the channel sometimes. And yeah, so this is going to allow you to customize those lights, change up the color, and control them as well. And they work with both Google Assistant and Alexa. So very cool app there to have with those smart lights. And then below that, we got my MyMesh, which is going to help me, you know, let's go ahead and click on that. It's a Wi-Fi mesh system. And as you can see, it's allowing me to know how many devices are hooked up to the hub and the dots that I have here. So as you can see, I got 9 hooked up to the main hub, 9 hooked up to one of the dots, and 3 devices hooked up to another one of the dots. So it's just something to help you, just to let you know how it's working out. And then we got my Toucan app, which is another security camera app. So moving on, next to that is my maps, and that is a must. I use that pretty much every single day with the type of work that I do. I'm constantly going from job to job, to address, and that's always there to help me out, to make sure I make it exactly where I need to go. And then of course, down here at the bottom is all of my main apps. Now, going into my settings here, as you can see, I am using dark mode, because dark mode everything, it just helps to save battery. Going into my display settings, as you can see, dark mode brightness is currently about 75% at the moment. Adaptive brightness, I do have that off because I'm constantly changing it. I actually like to have it high most of the time. I mean, that's just me. Motion smoothness, I do have that on adaptive, so I can be able to get that, take advantage of that 120 hertz display. Got the screen mode at vivid. As you can see, I am using the highest resolution as well. Screen timeout at 5 minutes. So that's basically my display settings. But yeah, so this is my setup here on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. What do you think about my setup here, and just the whole launcher I'm using, the wallpaper I'm using, how I have it all set up? Let me know down in the comment sections below. I hope this video helped you out, and possibly maybe, you know, helping you set up your own device, and just kind of giving you ideas of how I set mine up. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Do you like it or do you not? Thumbs up, thumbs down, let me know. Thank y'all so very much for watching. This has been my setup of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you are not subscribed yet, if you do not have that notification bell on at the moment, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.